Hello everybody and welcome for a new video on Blender. This video is about a portal because my house is a little bit alone in this ground, in this land, so I only have French words in mind, so it's why I'm looking for words here. So I wanted to make a portal because one of my first Blender's videos is a portal, so it's why I want to remake that, but in a good version, like that it will be nice, beautiful, and it fits well in this land. So I'm making a circular portal because I think this looks really futuristic and beautiful. So I want my world to be like futuristic but realistic, so it's difficult and I'm not good enough at Blender to do that, so I'm learning. This is a word of all my lessons, all that I will learn, and when I will have finished learning Blender at least enough to make beautiful things, I will start to make a whole world with beautiful landscapes and a whole city, futuristic city on it. So just subscribe if you want to see my progress on this. And it's a very fast progress because in 2 days I upgraded a lot my house. If you've seen my 2 weeks videos, like the video of last week and the precedent week, it was on 2 days. So yes, it's a very fast progress. This design is a little bit messy like that because you can only see a lot of rings. I will take a lot of parts of the strings to make some floating things because it's a magic portal. We don't care about gravity anymore. We have some things here, like 3 for this stage, and we will make more on the next stages. So I will need to make one more ring around that. I'm copying and pasting this ring, so it's why I'm selecting all of that. We will make another ring, another part. I am trying to do some things, some beautiful things, and less parts as we go further from the middle. After that, we need to extract to make all of them like a surface, so like this it don't work because we have all the dots that we need to erase. After we will make it one by one. At least we have an auto tool that will automatically correct the edges. I have the Blender in French, so it's why I'm looking for my words in English, but don't care, I found them. So it looks nice from now. It looks nice, a little bit messy, but it will fastly, I don't know if we can say that, grow up and glow up. So erase all the dots that are floating here, like those ones and else, taking care to not destroy our dots, so it's important, destroy the lines and other in between them. After, we will need to apply a texture, so it's a little bit tricky here because the UV editing was not right, so I needed to remake all to make a new UV editing, like unfolding this another. As you can see, it makes it as one single pixel, if I can tell this, because it takes just the bottom corner and I need to unwrap this and make it a full picture. So after I made some lights on that, some powerful lights, like this, the thing is shining when we turn the render on, but it's not when we don't turn the render, so that's the view with the render. We have some like pink portal glowing in, and when we don't render, the portal don't activate a lot, so it's why it's just looking like this. It looks like an ancient structure. I do really love this. And we can see the waves on the little pond right behind it. So as you can see, we have some waves on that. It was complex to do. By the way, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing or not, but most important, enjoy your day.